How to replace earpads on Arctis SteelSeries gaming headsets. Brought to you by CentralSound.co. Enter promo code Arctis at checkout for a discount. Here we have an Arctis 7 SteelSeries gaming headset. As you can see, these earpads are fabric, and the foam is kind of a low-grade foam. It doesn't have any memory foam or anything. So these earpads do get worn out. The foam does break down. It does soak up sweat, dirt, and oil. So it's a good idea to replace these, even if they don't look that bad, just for hygienic reasons. To remove these ear pads, simply pinch and pull away from the ear cup gently, and you will see it'll start to come loose. Here are our Central Sound upgraded replacement ear pads. These are the velour version. So it's a hybrid, a velour surface on the ears with a protein leather surrounding, and these are memory foam. So they are very comfortable and very supportive. You can buy a pair at CentralSound.co. Enter promo code Arctis at checkout for a discount. So to install these, you simply just line up the back rim of the ear pad, and gently pinch and pull it over the plastic lip that goes all the way around the ear cup. As you can see here, it's fairly simple to install these ear pads. And that's it. So that's one ear pad installed. As you can see, the difference between the original ear pads and our upgraded replacement ear pads. As you can see, our memory foam doesn't bounce back as quickly as the foam in the original ear pads. I'll remove these, and I'm going to install the uh, protein leather version of the ear pads. So these are all protein leather and also memory foam. And you would install these the same way as you install the other ones I just showed you. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.